Hi guys, good morning. So today is Saturday and today is the 24th of August, and I sent my brother this morning to go and buy groceries like food stuff that I will use to cook this morning. The time right now is currently 10:20. I want to cook cassava leaf. Let me just show you guys the ingredients, and after that I'm going to prep them, then I will start cooking. Okay, this is the cassava leaf. And this is the crab, this is the fish, bunga fish, granuts, maggi, ogiri, chicken wings. This is boiled beans, okra, pepper, cow skin. This is palm oil. So I use quarter of it this morning to fry egg, and this is the remaining one. So I'm going to use this to cook. I don't want so much of it. I'm going to prep the ingredients, then I will start cooking. Okay, so guys, this is the pot and I have already prepped the ingredients, as you can see. So I'm going to put them in the pot. I'm going to allow that to cook for a while, then I will add the cassava leaf. Please do well to subscribe on my channel, and let's continue with the video. So guys, I forgot to film while I'm adding the cassava leaf. This is how it looks like. I add just a little bit of cassava leaf. This is what is remaining. The fish and the pepper. I have another pepper here, so I'm going to mix that. I'm a fool, I don't even care. I want you to listen to what I say. I love you, but it's so confusing. I'm winning at the same time losing. I love you, but it's so confusing. I'm winning at the same time losing. So the only thing that is left right now is to reduce the fire, like reduce the heat, and I allow it to cook gradually until it's done. I'm not ready for being loved. I need more time, a little more. I'm not ready for being loved. I'm walking home, I'm walking home. I've never been desperate to find someone who loves me. Yeah, I've never been that way. I have never been, I have never been. So guys, I am done washing the dishes and my cassava leaf is ready. So the only thing that is left right now is to cook the rice, and I am done. Okay, let me just show you the counter. So guys, I am done cooking and I want to go and eat. So thank you very much for watching the video up to this point. Please do well to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back guys. So I have just taken my last exam today. Finally, today marked the end of my first year on uni. I am hoping and praying that I am going to make it to the next level. After I've done taking my exam, I decided to go to the market to come and cook dinner because right now it's 5 o'clock. It has been a long time since I cooked pumpkin, so I saw it today at the market, so I am going to cook that sauce today. My ear is so rough. Yeah, I know you can see it. My ear is already rough. Maybe on my next vlog I will take this ear down, yeah, or maybe not, but yeah, it's long overdue now. I do my ear purposely for my exams. Hopefully I will talk to you guys in the kitchen, or maybe not, or I will just show you the cooking process. Okay, peace. Kenisha, I want to say hi. Tell them hi. Look at your slippers. Left and right. Okay guys, I will talk to you later. Okay, bye. Can you tell them bye? Welcome to my kitchen, and I have already changed my outfit. I am going to clean the fish. I will first fry the pumpkin, and then I will go ahead and fry the fish. want you to see me, guys. That is why I said, let me show my face again. So it is 7 o'clock, like 7 p.m. and I'm still cooking. I'm not yet done, and there is no light. The place is very dark, but I'm going to use a torch so that I can done with my cooking. But I'm almost done. My sauce is saucing. My granite punky stew is giving. So the only thing that is left is to put the fish, but I want to give it a few minutes, then I put the fish, then I am done cooking. Yeah, I am done. That is all I have to do. If you're watching the video up till this point, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a thoughtful comment, and I will see you guys on my next video. Okay, so let me just go and put the fish, then we can end the video. Bye. So guys, I am finally done cooking, and let me show you my pot of stew. I have a candle. So guys, this is my pot of stew. I wish I had a good lighting. Okay.